وقال عليه السلام: إذا كنت في إدبار والموت في إقبال فما أسرع الملتقى.
When you are turning your back on your life and death is approaching you, how quickly will the meeting between you and death take place? In this blessed saying, Imam Ali draws attention to the fact that the days you are spending in your life are decreasing, and you are moving towards death, and on the other hand, death is approaching you. So, very soon, you and death will meet each other. Not only are these days taking you towards death, but every breath you take is moving you closer to death. As it is stated in Nahjul Balagha, Imam Ali says, every breath you take is a step towards death. Nahjul Balagha Wisdom 71. And death is also approaching you. One day, both will meet each other. There is no one in this world who denies that death will come to us. Even the sophists, who deny the reality of everything, acknowledge its reality. Therefore, it is impossible to escape death, and it will surely come. The Almighty Allah has stated in the Holy Quran, say, the death from which you flee will surely overtake you. Then you will be returned to the knower of the unseen and the seen, and he will inform you of what you used to do. Surah Jumu'ah, Ayah 8. In short, death will surely come to humans. They are turning their backs on life, and death is approaching them. Sometimes it comes naturally, sometimes through earthquakes, sometimes through floods. Therefore, one should always be prepared for it and prepare for the hereafter by doing good deeds, so that there is no difficulty in the life of Barzakh in the hereafter.